Alright, hey guys, it's Lydia here. Right now, we just discovered a bird nest in this sheet.
Tell them who he is.
Well, it's me and Katie,
And
Aaron, and Lydia. And we just found a bird nest in this sheet.
And it has
eggs in it. If you can see that. And there's a little nest like down here.
I really want to take some of the eggs out, but we can't.
Here, it's up.
Let me put the camera up.
And there's
eggs in there.
Eggs in there. And the mom flew right by my face, right here, and it scared it. Yeah, but it scared me. It flew off that direction. But now we just discovered.
And there's 7 eggs.
Yeah.
I just counted them. And now we're checking the rest of the sheets for more nests. There might be some under here.
And we're just quickly doing a look before the mom comes back and gets angry at us. So
cute.
yeah.
Bye.
And